There are 3 ways to add a featured image to a poster page in the block editor. First, open the content in question and expand the Featured Image section in the Settings panel on the right side of the screen. From here, you can drag and drop an image from your desktop into the Featured Image placeholder. Or you can click on Set Featured Image to open your media library and select from among the images you've already uploaded to your site. Finally, if you'd like to upload a new image to your site from your computer, you can click on the Upload tab and select the file you want to use. Once you've chosen your featured image, you can edit it and add alt text using the settings on the right side of the window. Then, click on the Set Featured Image button. If you change your mind, you can remove or replace your featured image by clicking on the relevant option in the editor's featured image settings. Click on the Preview button to see what your featured image will look like, or hit the Publish button to make your changes live.